Has been, have been, had been. Kailan natin sila ginagamit? Yung tatlo na yan, pare-pareho yung perfect tenses. Etong dalawa, present perfect. Ito naman ay past perfect. Dito muna tayo sa dalawang present perfect. Pagsabayan na natin, total pareho naman sila. Nagkaiba lang sila sa subject-verb agreement. Ito kasing has been gagamitin mo sa singular nouns at he, she, it. Have been gagamitin mo naman sa plural nouns or pronouns I, you, we, they. Pero pagdating sa meaning, since pareho silang present perfect, again, present perfect, prior to present, bago ngayon, before now. Merong situation na nag-start in the past, that's before now. Pero hanggang ngayon, true pa rin yung situation na yun. Totoo pa rin yung situation na yun. Halimbawa, Anna has been in a relationship with John for 2 years. Or, Anna and John have been in a relationship for 2 years. Yang dalawa na yan, kung mapapansin nyo, pareho lang sila ng ibig sabihin. Si John at si Anna, may relasyon sila at yung relasyon na yun, nagsimula siya prior to present. Pero hanggang ngayon, sila pa rin. In fact, 2 years nang sila. Again, kaya tayo gumamit ng has dito kasi si Anna yung subject, singular noun, at dito naman gumamit tayo ng have been kasi Anna and John, plural na yung subject natin.